In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Purplle app not working. If you are experiencing any challenge with your app, maybe the app can't open, it is too slow, or it keeps on crashing, then let me show you how you can fix this. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, there are quite a number of methods you can use to fix this problem. In the first method, I'm going to access the app info page for us to do this. To access the app info page, you can go ahead and access the app info page through settings, or just long press on your app and then choose app info. From here, we are going to clear the app data, and if I go to storage here, you can see a breakdown of the data used stored by this app. Of importance is this cache data. When you talk of cache data, these are just small files that your app normally collects and stores to enhance user experience. To fix this, go and tap on clear data and then choose the second option, clear cache, and then OK, and this will go ahead and wipe out all the cache data. At this point, start your smartphone and then go ahead and open your Purplle app, and now your app should be up and running without any issue. But should this not solve your problem, again come back to app info page and tap again on clear data and choose the first option, clear all data, and OK. However, if this tool will not fix the problem, then go to the third method, and that is to look for your app either through Google Play Store or App Store and find out if we have an update. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I've gone ahead and searched for my app. Here is Purplle online beauty shopping app. Look for any update and then update your app to the latest version. One of the reasons why your app might be malfunctioning is because you are using an outdated version of Purplle online beauty shopping app. Once this is done, now everything should be okay. But should you still experience issues such as the app crashing, then it means your app contains bugs. To fix this, go ahead and uninstall this app totally from your phone and then install it afresh. So by using any of these four methods, you should be able to fix any issue with your Purplle online beauty shopping app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.